Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, as you see, is going to be a fall tablescape. I have collected some items that I am going to be using for this tablescape. I have a flower arrangement, some other flowers, an array of pumpkins, some acorns, and a little steel pumpkin that I got from the thrift store, and I also got some candle holders. So I'm just showing you everything that I plan on using in the tablescape, and I'm going to be decorating on my buffet some too. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all the items, but I did want to share with you guys everything that I'm going to be using to make this fall tablescape. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's just jump on into the video, guys. I love how my centerpiece came out, guys, for the fall. I just did a simple arrangement on the table here. I didn't even use any dinnerware. I love those dollar pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. And I used my candle holders and placed this pumpkin in a stand. On the side here is my bar cart, which I just added some leftover flowers that I had, a pumpkin on a stand, and I also placed some pumpkins on the bottom there. And I'm going to show you the back of the center arrangement. I just love how this came out. Like I said, I didn't use any dinnerware or anything like that because I felt that this arrangement could stand by itself, and I just love the way it looked. Like I said, I just added some of my accessories that I already have, and I just like how everything came together. Here on the bar cart, I am showing you the two-tier tray that I decorated with some leftover pumpkins and a sign from the Dollar Tree. And this is the pumpkin that I got from the thrift store, and I just added a candle in that. Yeah, guys, this table arrangement is the first for the fall for me, and I really do love how it came together. Like I said, it's very simple, but it is so nice for the fall season. It has all of the oranges and greens and all the colors that represent fall and harvest and Thanksgiving. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, but most of all, subscribe. I would love to have you a part of our YouTube channel. And as always, please stay blessed. Bye, guys.